Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you what's on my iPhone. And if you wanna know more about my phone or what apps I use, then please keep on watching. So anyway guys, yung phone ko is an iPhone 8 Plus, and naka-charge siya ngayon kasi low bat ako. And yung phone case ko is from Shopee. Lagay ko na lang yung shop dito. It's only 124 pesos. It's really cheap. It's very cute as well. And yung texture niya is parang yung sa luggage and match siya. So I like this better than my old phone case because of the texture. Kasi yung old case ko parating nagsislide and nahuhulog while I'm holding it. So anyway, let's get started. So naka-screen record na yung phone ko and I'm just gonna put it here. So the first thing you'll see is a blank screen kasi gusto ko lang makita yung reminder na today is gonna be a good day. And here's why, because today at least you're you and that's enough. That's my wallpaper. And the 4 main apps na parati kong ginagamit are here down below. Yung message, photos, cameras, and Safari. So when you swipe right, the first thing you'll see is utilities. Ito yung mga apps sa iPhone. So, voice memos, reminders, maps, health, and wallet. Sa limang to, actually yung voice memos lang yung parati kong ginagamit. Yung reminders, hindi naman. Yung maps, I like yung Google Maps way better than this maps. Pero, I uninstalled it anyway. Yung health, and yung wallet. I haven't tried yung wallet pa. So, the next one you'll see is yung finance. So, BPI Mobile and MediSave. Of course, you know na yung BPI Mobile. And yung MediSave is an app na where it reminds you to take your prescriptions or your medications. So, next one, yung mail. Never mind yung 4,000, I don't read it. Yung Gmail, yung App Store, clock, calendar, settings, contacts, phone, weather, notes, find my iPhone, calculator, Holy Bible, and sa entertainment, yung Magic Sing, karaoke, TikTok, webtoon. So, yung Magic Sing karaoke kasi my mom bought a Magic Sing. So, meron palang online app. So, ito, dinownload ko. I'll open it. Mas updated kasi yung songs dito than on the songbook na nasa Magic Sing na. And as you can see, the last one I searched is Color because I love to sing yung Colors of the Wind ni Tori Kelly. And here's actually yung mga new. How Do You Sleep, For the Good Times, Music Love Me, Someone You Love, it's something I really love to sing. Lover, Taylor Swift, Memories, Boyfriend, Best Part of Me, 10,000 Hours. Ito yung mga new songs and yung mga songs, actually yung mga songs na parati kong kinakanta is yung mga old ones, yung mga Wonderful Tonight, Having You Near Me, Skyline Pigeon, it's very my favorite. Not that. One Day, yeah, definitely. Heaven, Here I Am. So, I love singing yung mga yung Journey, yung kay Journey. Yeah, Faithfully, Open Arms. I love singing that. Ewan ko bakit. So, if may Magic Sing ka, better download this. Pero yung bad side lang is, if you see that microphone up there, na may 3, like 3 songs lang per day, there's a subscription kasi. You need to pay every month. And I don't think I need that. Okay, so next one is yung TikTok. I actually don't have a TikTok. I mean, I have an account. Pero hindi ako nagti-TikTok. And ito yung songs lang. And ito, dalawa lang. As you can see, walang drafts kasi I'm not doing any TikTok, guys. So the next one is yung webtoon. Yung binabasa ko lang dito actually is yung True Beauty. Ito. And I'm actually on episode 70. Ito pa yung wala ko nabasa. So, next one is yung Food Panda, pero hindi abot dito sa bahay. Yung mga gusto kong restaurant. So, anyway. Okay, so let's proceed to games. I actually have 5 games, and yung isa, same sa Webtoon. So, Cooking Fever, Hide Online, Pocket Camp, Castaway, Among Us, and yung Your Manga. Let's try yung Cooking Fever. It's actually one of my favorite games na cooking games. It's been with me for how many months na. I'm actually glad na hindi ko in-uninstall before the quarantine kasi minsan hindi ko na nilalaro. Pero ngayon, I'm back at it. So if bored ka din this quarantine, you may want to download this and play this now. So next one is Hide Online. I actually haven't tried this, pero dinownload ko to kasi it's like yung Among Us na you can play with your friends. Online game siya. Pero haven't tried it yet. Let's see. I'll try this with my friends soon. What? Amazing! Get! Okay. So the next one is yung Pocket Camp. It's the Animal Crossing Pocket Camp. So if you're a fan of Animal Crossing, better download it right now. It's my favorite game. And because I badly wanna play it, nag-search ako online all about Animal Crossing. And I went across their official site and I saw this Animal Crossing Pocket Camp, which is available on iOS and Android. So ayun guys, dinownload ko. But it's actually not available here in the Philippines. It's only available on Australia and other countries. But na-download ko. So today, I will show you how I downloaded it even though hindi siya available dito sa Philippines. So first, go to your App Store. Go to your account. You click it. So you go to the country or region. You click it and wait. Okay, change country or region. So, ayan. Na Australia na yung sa akin kasi I've already downloaded it. Click Australia. Okay, agree. Okay. So, yung payment method, credit, debit card, PayPal, none. So, you better go to none lang. Then, put your first name, last name, yung billing address. Sa street, you can just search yung Australia address or Australia postcode, Australia state, Australia city, Australia phone. Yes, seriously. So, yun. It's done, guys. You can just search yung Animal Crossing, Pocket Camp. Ayan. And it's definitely there. I'm actually level 6 na. Kasi I've been playing this all night. Ever since na-download ko. You can also visit your friends if meron na. So better add me guys kasi wala pa akong friends. And the story ko to sa My Day and a lot of people were asking. So here it is now. I actually can't show you paano sa Android because wala akong Android phone dito. But I can guarantee na meron siya. And it's the same method actually, na you just change lang yung country to Australia. Better try na lang yung Australia than other countries. Kasi nakita ko, even though like, for example, Denmark, nakalagay doon meron Denmark, available sa Denmark. Pero when they tried, wala yung Animal Crossing sa country na Denmark. So, better try yung Australia na lang talaga. It's the safest way. So, the next one is yung Castaway. So, this is actually like an alternative to Animal Crossing. I downloaded this way back before I discovered yung Pocket Camp. And it's actually the same. Pero of course, mas maganda talaga yung Animal Crossing. So, the next one is also my favorite game. It's Among Us. If you saw my Facebook or Instagram story, I always post Among Us. Kasi it's a very fun game. I always play this with my friends. So my sister recommended this game. You can play it local, through Wi-Fi, or online. So Among Us is a game of teamwork and betrayal. Players are either crewmates or an impostor. So play with 4 to 10 players online or via local Wi-Fi. So if you want to play with your friends lang, you can host a game na private and share the code to your friends. Or if you want na madami kayo, then you put it on public. So yung next one is your manga. So same lang siya sa webtoon. I downloaded it kasi every night hindi ako makatulog. So, ayun, I just read it. Ewan ko. So next one is Lightroom. So this is where I edit my photos. So the last one that I edit is ito, yung sa scuba diving namin. But I still want na mag-edit sa Lightroom on my laptop. Kasi dito you need to pay. May subscriptions siya. At like on my laptop na free na. I've downloaded it already. So the next one is yung Pinterest. This is where I get inspos. Next one is Spotify, of course, where I listen to music. And I'm actually loving yung mga music na chill lang. Ito yung favorite ko, yung good vibes. So Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Netflix. It's actually my #1 app. And I've been watching anime movies. So the last one that I watched is when Marnie was there. I haven't finished it kasi nag-play kami ng Among Us with my friends. And ayun, hindi ko na natapos. YouTube, I actually don't know how to pronounce this. Pero, if you want to watch yung Youth With You, yung kay Lisa, this is where I actually watch. Ito siya, Youth With You, Season 2. I'm actually on episode 6. And here's where I actually watch yung mga Chinese drama. So, the one that I'm watching right now is yung Well-Intended Love 2. And yung YouTube Studio for my YouTube analytics. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And see you on my next one. Bye!
Go with the brothers.